Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 9 on the topic Chapter 3, and today we will read from page 49 to 51. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 3, page 49 to 51. And students, this is our first lecture for annual examination, and this will be the first homework for you. Now students, please take your textbook. We are going to read from your text Chapter 3 lesson, page 49 to 51. So let's start. Chapter 3, named The Internet in My Education. After completing this chapter, we'll be able to explain the concept of digital content, explain the significance of the internet in education, and identify the fields of using the internet in an academic curriculum, explain the importance of ICT in career development, and make a presentation on a topic you have studied with the help of internet. Now we'll learn about digital content. If any content is preserved, expressed, or exchanged as digital data, that is digital content. So what is digital content? If any content is preserved, expressed, or exchanged as digital data, that is called digital content. However, it can be preserved either in a digital or in an analog system. So with analog system or digital system, we can preserve this. Digital contents can be exchanged either as files of the computer or of the digital system. Written information, images, sounds, or videos, anything could be digital contents. Types of digital content: any information, image, sound, or everything expressed through a digital media is digital content, though it can be divided into 4 major categories. So what type of categories are there? There are 4 kinds of major categories, and their text or written content, image, sound or audio, and video and animation. Now students will elaborately learn about these 4. First, text or written content. The written content is still voluminous in digital media. It includes all kinds of written information such as essays, blog posts, list of commodities and citizens' shelter, prices of commodities, e-paper, reports, etc. So through all this, we can do all this. Next, image. All kinds of pictures, photographs, sketches, and computer images such as illustrations, cartoons, infographics. Infographics are animated pictures are the contents of this chart. Next, sound or audio. All the contents of sound or audio are included in this content. Any kind of audio file along with the broadcast on the internet and web near are audio content. Video and animation. Any kind of video and animation is its content. The volume of video content is increasing day by day, as nowadays mobile phones also have the ability to record video. Similarly, the volume of video content in the internet is gradually increasing for the video sharing site like YouTube. Besides, direct airplay of some events is very frequent on the internet. It is called video streaming, which is also regarded as a video content. So in YouTube, video streaming is also regarded as a video content. Now we'll learn about ebook. Ebook is electronic book. Is the electronic format of the printed book. So what is ebook? Ebook is the electronic format of printed book. As it is published through an electronic medium, sound, animation, etc. can easily be added to it. These books can only be read either by using computer or ebook reader. Kindle of Amazon.com is the most popular of all ebook readers. So from all ebook readers, we know Kindle of Amazon.com is the most popular one. Now we'll learn about benefits of using ebook. There are lots of benefits of using ebook here. Some are given. Number 1, information may be accessed instantly by downloading ebooks. Number 2, ebooks do not require any library or specific space for storage. They can easily be saved and stored on a computer or in a reading device. Number 3, ebooks are easily transferable. Number 4, it is easy to find out information in ebooks. Number 5, as ebooks can be purchased through internet, they do not incur any shipping or packaging cost. Number 6, ebooks are easy to distribute and sell. Number 7, ebooks can be printed out according to individual demand, and hence they are financially more viable. Nowadays, different kinds of ebooks are found. Different publication requires different ebook format. Usually, ebooks are divided into the following 5 categories. So, basically, we find there are some categories, and here they are exact copy of a printed version. These books are like the printed version of a book. It is published in the PDF. PDF means portable document format. The complete text or words are available on the internet. Ebooks are the only readable on the internet. These books are usually published in the HTML. This is called the website of books. So what is the website of books? It is called HTML. Ebooks like printed version with some additional facilities. In these books, the readers have the facilities to comment, to know word meaning. Most of the books are published in EPUB format. These books are possible to read by using a special device. For example, iBooks compatible Fields and iBook Reader, but Field and iBook Reader have their own format. Smart ebook. Audio, video, animation, etc. are included in these books besides the written part. These books are called smart ebooks. Its content is enriched with interactive multimedia features. For example, there are quizzes, spaces to answer the quizzes, and options to check the answers. 3D images are added to these ebooks. However, some ebooks are formatted in such a way that they can access with a specific electronic device and hardware. For example, iBooks created by Apple computers can only be read with iPad and Mac computer. And at last, apps of ebook. The ebook itself is published as an app on the computer or on the mobile phone. Ebook, like the printed version, is published under the Copyright Act. Now students will learn about the internet in education. We discussed e-learning in a previous chapter where we showed how education is training can be imparted by using radio, television, CD-ROM, personal network, the internet. In this chapter, we will have discussions especially on the role of internet in education. Now you are very much familiar with the word internet. Many people are using the internet. This technology has brought about a significant change to the world, and some infrastructural facilities and financial solvency are required to use it. Either a desktop or laptop computer is necessary to use the internet. It is expensive and cannot be afforded by the majority of the population. Nowadays, mobile phone technology has been upgraded, and smartphone which can provide the internet facilities. Along with mobile phone, digital or analog smartphone is the most provided facilities for is within the reach of most people. However, the smartphone is now always an effective tool for educational purposes. The screen of the mobile phone is so small that its use is confined within the limit of viewing and exchanging information. A recent invention, tablet, an electronic device typically smarter than a laptop but larger than a smartphone, can be used in education easily. Many companies are designing applications suitable for a tablet to use in education. We can not avail of the internet facilities just having the desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone suitable for the internet use. An internet connection is required for that, but it is not equally available in all the places of the country. The speed is not the same even. Sometimes a slow speed internet makes its use meaningless. On the top of it, fast and high-speed internet device cannot be afforded by the general people of our country. Therefore, the students should get the internet connection at low cost to use it in education. Our students' access to laptop or tablet and high-speed internet will not ensure the use of ICT for their education. The main question is what they will use in the internet. Is there any content suitable for them? In fact, there is not much content available on the internet in the Bangla language. Initiatives have been taken by the government, organizations and individuals for developing content in Bangla. We expect to get it very soon in the internet. Many educational contents are now available on the internet. If any student can not understand anything while studying, he or she is sure to get any solution by giving a search on the internet. If any student wants to learn anything, he or she will find it on the internet. And students will learn page 52 in our next class. Today we have learned page 49 to 51 for our first lecture. Now students, I am providing your homework. Your homework will be 5 MCQ. You have to do 5 MCQ in your homework copy. Students, I hope you will do your homework and don't forget to write your lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.